What the hell?
Hey, yo, Pump City.
I thought that was a dude. My bad.
Yo.
Cracking buns?
Yeah.
I'm trying to find my friend a boyfriend on here. Any of y'all want to get right?
Cause she's sexy and it's the red light.
You look like Ruby Rose, bro. I clap your ass right now.
Hey, can y'all hear me?
What the fuck is you training?
Y'all can hear me?
Stackupquan. Okay, I'll subscribe.
That nigga gonna bring the money right now.
What? Say no more, gang.
What, baby? Run, baby. So, son.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so basically, we're basically trolling on this whole fucking thing, right?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yo,
Yeah, not too much, bro. No story.
my fault, bro. Not in front of the huz?
Huh?
Not in front of the huz?
Nah.
Not in front of the huz? My fault,
I
bro.
ain't gonna lie.
What's up?
I ain't gonna lie. I gotta comb out my hair. I gotta comb out my hair.
Bro,
That's why I know
so,
that.
look. Hear me out, gang. So, look. I got a friend here. She been trying to look for a boyfriend. You feel me? You look like... Yeah, what's up?
How old is she?
How old is you?
I'm literally 13.
You're not going to jail. You're going to prison.
Oh, okay. Well, go ahead. I'm gonna let y'all rock out. No?
He's too young. He's
Bro.
too young. He's gonna sit down.
Yo, gang.
Don't I know you? You look familiar.
You got me.
Me? Or...
Yeah, you. I ain't talking to you, bro.
Got him. We fucking got him.
Oh, my fault. Go ahead, bro.
Bruh, no,
Where you from?
we've never spoken before.
I'm saying, where you from, though? That's your nigga or something? Y'all together?
Nigga, shut the fuck up.
Bro, keep it a beam, bro. While we here, I'm trying to put my friend on with somebody, bro.
She gotta stand up first. Let me get a little 360. So.
Oh my gosh, no, Quan, I'm not giving no nigga no 360. Cause no, that's the niggas you trying to clock me. No,
He was so serious though.
I thought that was a dude. My bad.
Yo.
Yo, his reaction was so late. He said,
it was not late, so I'm not gonna count to you.
What the fuck?
"Yo, bro,
Hey, that's you? That's you, fam?
nah, that's not me, bro. I'm trying to help my friend find
No.
my fuck."
You look mad familiar. You from New York?
What?
I didn't stutter. Are you from New York?
Yo, who the fuck is you talking to?
Oh, bro, please don't tell me this is who the fuck I think this is. Are you from New York?
What's your name?
Janaya?
What's your name?
Janaya.
Oh, where is from, Janan?
I'm from the United States. Where are you from?
India.
India. Okay.
Yo, bro, listen. I got a question.
Okay.
Are you clapping that, bro?
Pardon, please?
Are you clapping that?
I'm?
Are you clapping that? Like you hitting that?
I don't.
You cracking
listen
buns?
to it
You cracking buns?
Yeah.
You want to get put on?
Yeah. Okay.
Yo.
Yo, bro, you want to get put
It's
on?
too drastic. Not that.
Yeah.
Y'all look young as.
Yeah.
I'm 15.
I'm just saying. See, the nigga just said he 15. See?
My boy 17.
And I'm 20. What are we talking about? What? Like,
He said I'm 15.
he said it fresh, clean. I'm 15.
Yo, gang. I'm
Hi,
trying to find my friend a boyfriend on here. Any of y'all want to get right?
Or
You want to get right?
relationship. Oh
You
no,
want to
it's
get right?
too many people in there.
He just skipped.
No.
Oh, you skipped?
Bruh, it was no.
Oh, you folded.
Bruh, no, listen.
Nigga, shut the fuck up.
When it's too many niggas in one room, I get nervous. I gotta go. It's too many.
Wait, what's up with y'all?
Hey.
You look like Ruby Rose, bro. I clap your ass right now.
Hey.
Oh no.
Hey,
Black ass, I'll clap your chocolate ass right now.
hey, can y'all hear me?
What the fuck is you training?
Y'all can hear me?
Yo,
Yo,
Must be on the phone. Pop.
how y'all doing?
we doing good.
Good,
bro.
you?
I'm good. Oh my god.
Yo, it's crazy because he did that while we recorded. Yo, he just boosted me. Nah, bro, that's a W, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
The flow, Millie. Whoa, is that sexy red?
What?
Sexy red.
You calling her sexy red? Any of y'all want to get right with sexy red?
Because she's sexy and it's the red light.
He just raised. Yo, sexy red, you wanna talk? You got good thoughts?
Why haven't you spoken?
You got the red light too. Maybe I was talking about you. No, it's not. Why is she lying? I have quiet mode on. Why did I do that? Yeah, what?
What, bro? Are you worried?
Sexy red.
Huh?
Okay.
What's your name?
Her? Talk to her.
Yeah, did she talk? Giggling.
Janaya. Bro, y'all clapping sexy red?
Yes. Whoa. Wait, which one? The
Her.
real one?
Y'all
This
clapping?
one though. Oh. This sexy red.
Oh my, yo. Oh.
I ain't gonna lie, miss, with the red LED lights, you pretty. Can I get your Instagram? What's your name, man?
Janaya.
You said Zanaya?
Janaya.
Oh, Janaya? Oh, okay, true. How old you?
I'm 20.
Are you 20 or 18? I turned 19 May 25th.
Oh, we got the same birthday. Esther.
It's D-A.
Hold on, let me go to Instagram real quick. I see it. I don't hit your Instagram. Yeah, thank you.
I need some fine ass niggas. Niggas ain't on here. Don't look at me like that. What you looking for? Like, do you want to hit? Like, fuck? Like, look, I will wash you the fuck out. Oh, I can't even hear you. Baby, I can't even hear you.
Yeah, what you plug back in?
What's funny?
Got him. We fucking got him.
The whole time that was his back. That's crazy.
Janaya, I follow you on Instagram and TikTok. I literally love you.
Hi, baby.
Bye.
Bye. I
W in the chat.
You said what?
Ash.
Man, you look like a nigga.
Matter. Get
What the hell?
Hey, yo, Pump City. That's a tranny? Hey, that's a tranny?
Damn!
Hey, you're a tranny? Bro, you a boy?
What about that? I'm sorry.
You said what? You said you could flirt?
I just said I can't see y'all. What the fuck? See, bro, nigga.
Alright, if you twerk, I'll take a blinker.
I can't see anybody.
Yo, bro, you clapping that, bro? You want me to put you on?
I don't know. I'm not. I gotta see her twerk. I gotta see her bounce that ass.
I don't. We're flat.
You flat, then you gotta wiggle some.
Yo, he's so sick.
I've been on this app the whole time. All I've been seeing was dicks. Come on, bro.
Got him. We fucking got him.
I said, what if I don't have enough to wiggle? Then what?
That's why I said Papa Titty.
Yo, he's so serious. Bro, he's so serious.
But we can see you. They want to see the same thing.
Oh no.
They were just scared to ask. They ain't say no, you feel me?
You are a loser. Simple. Accept it. Move on.
See, you got the red lights, they got the red lights. They ready.
He's so serious.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Okay, so I said it's not the type of party you think it is.
I think it is.
I used to be one.
What you mean? You gotta bring back the old days. Like Lil Durk say, the old days, the old ways.
Sirs, are you understanding what I'm telling you?
No, but you're not. I just said Papa Titty. You don't understand.
What's good?
Yo.
Where y'all from? Where she from?
Oh, you want to get right, bro? So, bro, you seen her in Miami, bro? You cracking that on site? Like, if you bumped into her in Miami.
I can't even see how her body look.
You going to see how her body look?
My body.
Yeah, show me a picture.
So, because I'm trying to put her on. So, if you seen her in Miami and everything, you going to shoot your shot at that?
Shit, I don't know, bro. I'm not trying to disrespect her or nothing, but she look like a transgender.
I don't know nothing about that.
Look.
I don't know shit about that.
Let me get your Instagram.
Got him. We fucking got him.
Shit, no cap, I want her info, dude, man.
She trying to give you the info right now. Thank you for being in the YouTube video. You want to shout your stuff out?
Bitch, I don't really need to shout myself out because the people who
Yo.
are going up Who the fuck that? He's fucking talking about ass niggas fucking interrupting me. I know who I am at the end of the I'm tired of but if you love yourself, bitch, continue to love yourself because ain't no gonna love you more than I'm up morning. I better